which was his anger. So instead of speaking to the rock, he hit. Amen? So we have to be able to deal with those areas of our life so God can take us to the visions and the goals and be the man that God has called us to be. So walk in the Lord as a man. God bless you.
Come on, priests, put your hands together and let's give God some praise. For the priests, come on, man of God. Oh, come on, you can do better than that. Give God some praise. We give honor Bishop Blake to the presidium of our church, to Chairman Bishop Hines, and to the people of God, to my jurisdiction, Bishop Abraham, to all God's people. We are excited.
I see you.
And gentlemen, just look around. Look at all the brothers that are in the house. I mean, just encourage a brother. Just give yourself a praise. Give yourself a hand of praise. And the reason why I want you to look around is because this is going